Good morning, good morning. Pababa na tayo. Ngayon yung dagat. Punta tayo sa nagkakape si Manang, oh. Nagkakape si Manang. Namumunga na itong mga palmera nila, oh, parang buko. Ang dami, oh. Ito, yung bila na ito, isa lahat to. Kaya po isang kitchen namin ito, parang ipil-ipil. May ipil-ipil dito, nakita ko kahapon. Talagang ipil-ipil siya. Ito, iwan ko yan. Ayun ako, balduking. Ito, ayan. Balduking sa Ilocano. Cashew nut. Hindi ba yung cashew nut? Ano na sa pangalan yan, yung balduking. Doon ang breakfast. Ayan, good morning, good morning. Kasi pupunta ako sa iikot mga all day. This is my second day here in Africa, North Africa. Nasa swimming pool this way, and that way is going to kitchen and another swimming pool. All this around, all one of this villa. These people ready for swimming. Bring the bag, maybe finish the breakfast. Yeah, breakfast is open 6:30, so I have a look now. It's open. Hello. Oh, what happened? The window, the door. Yeah, it's open. It's breakfast time. I'm gonna sit here in this place. So I put my bag here for swimming. This for breakfast. All plate here on the roof. A little bit of plate here. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.